So it's currently 2:30 a.m. The guy we're going fishing with, he's a very enthusiastic fisherman. We've got a 3 hours drive east, so we've got a big day ahead. Let's hit the road. It's good not driving.
Yeah.
For once. Rightio, I'm pretty excited. First time, yeah, in a boat in KAKADU National Park on the Northern Territory. So, just got this little 4.3, I think it is, metre tinny. I don't know too much about boats, but it looks pretty good to me. It's got one of these things on it. I think that helps with stuff. But I'm only joking, I know what that does. Yeah, it's a nice little tinny. Heading out on this river here, KAKADU National Park, chasing some barramundi, and just seeing a couple of sights. So we're here for today. We've got a room in one of our accommodations up here as well. So it's going to be a good weekend. Hopefully get a couple of fish, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Hi Reese, what are we doing, mate? What's the plan?
We are going to get some barramundi.
We're going to catch some stonkers.
Donkers.
And what do you say?
Don't rush.
Don't rush, just take it easy.
Scared?
A little bit. Trimmed up.
We've got to film it in case he slips over.
About to get taken by a croc. Alright, back it up.
Dude, that water's like a bath. Under breakfast. Grassel Creek.
There's a big log across there. Crossed it over the middle.
Yeah, right.
See why he wanted to take us down here.
Pretty unreal, eh? Yeah, boy! We're in the second big ball. Oh, yours, mate. Yeah, one penalty at the bar every time we get snagged. Each one, you snag the first and it's a penalty. Ground.
Come on.
I remember like, it was a bit dirty and maybe the tide's back.
It's crazy. This is crazy.
Oh,
Oh, big barra. What's that, little baz dog?
Is that big barra chaser?
Yeah.
First fish's day.
First blood. Oh, it's down. There's a tight one.
What?
Look at that little window.
Yeah.
We can sleep in there tonight.
Woo! First little rat. I reckon that's a PB for me, actually. You! I'm barra, one frothy.
I just want mine to be big enough to at least put it in his mouth. The can.
Mm-hmm.
No drops.
No.
Donker.
In there.
Hey?
In there. What?
What was that?
Fish just jumped at me lure, dude.
Yeah.
Like full this, and it was like, it's not huge, but that was very weird. It like scared me.
What's your rod? What's your rod?
Oh, getting hits. It's got to hit straight up. There's fish in there. I can just see him playing with the lures.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, see him right there? There's a barra right there. Right under that log. Yep, there we go. They're going it. He's a catch one, sure. Yep, on. Yes. Little rat. Ooh,
There's big ones in there.
barra number 2. So who's winning? The Mexican or the Territorian? Mexicana.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Look at this for surface. Look, he's showing off. He's got a little grin on his face. You should work in the waterways of Italy. Beautiful. Side casted barra. Saw it in the water, pointed at it.
We're gonna do it again. Yeah, tiny barra. Let's put it back.
Poor bugger. Telling you, the vibes. As soon as you put a vibe on, bang. There's foam mover.
That's a big rock.
Whoop. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, it's a big dog.
Get the net, get the net. No, don't fuck her up. Man, get the net. Oh my god.
Oh, you're kidding me. Gar fishing. Following me.
I think it's only No, it's only small. Yeah, get the net. But
Get the net.
the biggest one we've got all
Oh
day.
fuck, she's hot. Oh, that net is hot, dude. Ew.
Yes, Reese.
Okay,
Happy days.
happy days.
That's legal, or that size?
Just maybe.
There's a measurer there.
I'm not keeping it, but
No.
Stick her on the measure on and see if just out of interest.
I don't know where them is.
Right,
Right
here.
there. Go to you. Nearly 50.